Hey guys, happy National Fire Alarm Day. This is EYN2 Alarms, and this is going to be the last test for the homemade panel. This is going to be Fire Alarm Sim Test 40. The last test you'll be seeing with the Fire Eliminator 800 DLPS homemade fire alarm panel. So yeah, let's get started. So anyway, as I mentioned before, this is the last test for this panel right here, the homemade panel. The last test. Yeah, I'm not going to tell you what the new panel is. I'm not going to spoil it on here. If you've been following on my Discord or Instagram, you may know what it is. I'm not going to spoil it here. But anyway, so this panel will be replaced. It will be taken out. So up to 6 years, this was actually been in service. Actually, 6 years. This was up, updating everything and all that, updating program and all that. And still, the only thing that's wrong with it is the LCD display has a burn-in display on it. So everything will be, so pretty much that's the only problem there is. Not really worth to replace the LCD, I just want to replace the entire panel. So, yeah. So this will be the last test with it. And don't ask me for it, because I'm not going to answer your comment. Anyway, so there it is. This will be the last test you'll be seeing with the homemade panel. Again, ignore the lines. That's just these fluorescent lights. It's on 30 frames per second, but we have a ESL 523CS still here. Something a little bit important. Actually, no, I'm not going to show you right now, but we have 4251 start. We have the 4251-21. The 2903 9000 no, so 9005 remote light. The 2424 as usual. I'll show you the two AVs in just a few seconds. We have a MBG10. We still have the remote light, the space age remote light, and the 5451 heat detector. We have the 2990S9006, I believe. Annunciator. Here. Up to here we have a Simplex 2098-9201 smoke detector with a 911 base. So if you're wondering what this is gonna be, actually the title already says it, but you know what it is actually, right? That's right. I have a Simplex 2003 9002 light plate with a red bulb in it, so you're gonna see it flash red. And I also got a Simplex chime, mechanical chime. I'm not sure why you can see that, but 2092 9207 chime, mechanical chime. I have a strobe next to it, 504 remote strobe. Now for the main room. Wait, I can't show you that. Wait, actually, you know what? Going up to here, we have a system sensor SCWL. Now, Guess what it is? Alright. Pause video to guess what it is. Okay. So, I'm going down. That's right. This right here, very rare. Very rare. Simplex 405083 technically is an 81 because it has 24-volt bulbs in it. This thing is very rare. Finally got one of these. These are very hard to come by at the time. I like to thank the Simplex 4903 or Nicholas for this. Appreciate it. It's got an AC chimes. It's got a mechanical AC chime. Forget the model. I think it's a 4090. No, 40 dash. I don't know what it is. I forgot. I need to look at it, but it's a dual bulb. It's a dual bulb 4050. 405080. Except it has except the model number is actually a 405083. Technically now it's actually a 405081 because it has 24-volt bulbs in it. See how I work for my panel here, but yeah, there it is. That's the rare one. So we are set to march time. Probably put slow march. So how about? And these things, they vibrate the wall like crazy. They really do vibrate the wall crazy. So let's activate the 4050, no, yeah, no, 4251-21. Wow. Durr. Durr, forgot to unlock it. These things actually vibrate the wall like crazy, and I didn't actually bypass the monitoring the. But yeah. So there's that. There's the strobe flashing away. There you go. And we're going to reset that PlayStation now. That one flashing away. Okay, there it is. There is the strobe flashing away. And I want to reset here, and then I want to reset the security system because I forgot to bypass this thing. Hold on 1 second. Okay. Okay, so there it is. So there's that. There's that. Security system was not bypassed. But anyway, there's the 4251-21. And we're now going to do the 2424. Alright, now we're going to do 2424. silence that. Yep. What's powering the chime? It's a 4-volt chime, actually powering with this the same exact voltage here. 4-volt, 1500 milliamps or 1.5 amps. That's the same. That is actually the same current ratings. It's actually saying the ratings of the chime too. I'm glad to get that transformer for that because yeah, and it is a fuse too, just in case something blows. Yeah, so there is the detector there. How about re-alarm with the 5451. Alarms too, you can see now. Sort of flashing away. So now, I guess we'll reset from the panel. Reset. Okay. Now, let's do the ESL 523CS with the little test button. So yeah, see a little right here, a little thing right here. Push that in, and it goes. Maybe you don't want to get stuck in there, but yeah. And the alarm level, yeah, I guess rapidly flashes. Silence that. That chime actually sounds very good. And that would choose a dial, would choose slow march this time. Let's do that. So there's the ESL. All right, now we're going to do the MBD10. So we're going to silence that. It's not focused here. Okay. Okay, so that was yeah. Reset that pull station now. Oh, come on. Reset pull station. Okay. And now we're reset from the panel, or from the outside to the panel. Okay. So let me get my keys here. I'm going to activate the 2099 pull. Here we go. Reset. All right, well, that's reset. I'm going to get the, last but not least, the 2098 smoke detector. All right, last but not least, the 2098 92-1 smoke detector. So, go right here, and then I'm going to go ahead and activate it here. So, yeah. Okay. That's silenced now. All right. So there's that. So, yeah. So there's that. Here is the detector and alarm. Right now for strobing away, or flashing away actually. Yeah, zone 4 alarm. And that will be it. So yeah. So there it is, guys. So I'm going to reset and the panel for the last time. So there it is. The Fire Eliminator 800 DLPS homemade fire alarm control panel will be the last test for the system. System test 40 or fire alarm system test 40. So I'm not going to tell you what new panel it is. You're going to see it in system test 41 or test 1, I don't know, something like that. Just join my Discord server and you will know the link down below. You will know what panel it is or what it is. So yeah, that's it, guys. If you want to join, follow my Instagram, official EYI2, and my Discord server, which both those links will be down in the description below. So please like this video. Please subscribe to my channel. We appreciate it. But yeah, there it is, guys. That is the last test for the homemade panel. This will be the last one. So yeah, that rare 40, 50, 80. So yeah, that's it, guys. Hope you guys like this video and and please comment, rate, and subscribe. And yeah, thank you very much for watching, and hope you guys have a great day. So yeah, bye now.